Merry Christmas to all my viewers and welcome to my channel. Come, let's learn. In today's video, I will show you how to make 3D shadow box. So, let's start the video. Take 4 A4 size printer sheets and 1 ivory sheet for this project. Now draw the margin on each sheet. Starting with the first layer, draw the moon and stars on this sheet. Now on the second layer, draw the trees. Now, on the third layer or the third sheet, draw sledge and reindeer. On the fourth layer or on the fourth paper, draw Santa Claus. If you want to learn how to draw Santa Claus, reindeer and sledge, then please check out my video Drawing in Steps. Now start coloring all the sheets. I am using oil pastel colors. Now cut the background of second, third and fourth sheet. Cut the moon with scissor, and for stars I am using punching machine. See, like this. Now take the strips of cardboard and stick it on the back side of each sheet, like this. Now take the piece of cardboard and stick it on the four sides of every sheet. On the A4 size ivory sheet, punch the hole on one side so that string of lights can be inserted. Now stick the light on the paper with the help of cello tape. Do not stick entire wire on the sheet, but keep it for the base and for the border. Now with the help of Fevicol or glue stick, stick all the sheets. Now to cover the bottom and the upper part, take same size of cardboard according to the measurement of entire project and stick it on them. Before attaching the base, stick the leftover lights on the base with the help of cello tape. Now to cover the both sides as well, I am using cardboard sheet. Now stick the remaining lights with the help of cello tape on the border of this shadow box. Now before proceeding, let me check whether it's working perfectly. Yes, it is. Now to hide the lights, I am going to stick border on all four sides. Cover the entire cardboard sheet with red paper. Shadow box is ready. Now let's switch on the light. See, it's looking beautiful now. Please hit the like button if you like my video. And if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe it. Hit the bell icon for the notification of my upcoming videos. Follow me on Instagram and Pinterest for more art and craft images, drawings. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.